How to make address bar position in the bottom on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make uh, address bar position in the bottom on Samsung Internet Browser. First thing, open the browser and click these three lines here in the bottom corner and click settings and scroll down. Here you will find layout and the menu. Click on it and here you will find it. Now all you need to do is just click this one button and go back. It will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.